here at Barbecoa, which is an extremely popular restaurant in Bangalore whose live grill dishes are all the rage, and I can't wait to get my hands on some of them.